Hi everyone, this is JR with JP Take 3, pure and simple videos. Today I wanted to share with you guys something different. I'm gonna put a skin protection for my MacBook Pro 16 M1 Pro. It's from this company here, and I got it from Amazon, and should be dark fabric. So let's install it on the MacBook. Now, installation instruction is pretty simple. Clean the surface, sticker, reverse side display, and then tear off around the film, what it looks like when it's torn off, align each of the 90-degree angles above, smooth the sticker, now this is different versus usually the skin I get from either D brand or from SophieGuard. Get a lot of the skins from SophieGuard. I guess this is for the feet because there's no cutout for the feet, and like it says, just peel out this spot here, and this one here stays, I guess stays not sticky. And this is the bottom piece. As you guys can see, there's no cutout here, and that's where you put the feet on there. So let's see how it goes on. Again, try this out. So what I gotta do is I gotta clean the MacBook Pro first, but just want to see how this thing looks on it. Really close fit, and the material is like fabric, so that's interesting. The bottom piece goes on, I guess this is the vent area here, and then it goes here. And what I was seeing online is basically you put this on, and then the feet goes there. So I just gotta see how that works, because this is totally different than what normally see. So I don't know what this for here. Didn't show anything on that. So you get about 4 feet. It goes here. Now I'm not sure what is this for. They don't give good direction on the feet wise, but so anyway, let's tackle this job and see how well it goes on. You know, something different. And I don't know, there's a vent here, so you guys can see the holes. Then see how this thing goes. There's like cut here, so that should give some space when you put it on. So let's clean up the MacBook. already. Alright, let's clean up the MacBook. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the MacBook up. It says use a wet paper towel. Now if this don't work out, then I'll waste $20. You can get me the D brand or Sophie Guard. Usually you get one of those for my devices. So give it a nice clean. Sure, it's ready. I'm gonna do the top first. Then normally I give it a spray with those air cans. So this is the top right here. So I just want to see the reverse side and only tear off around the film, then align it. Let's give it a try. So I guess this here, their logo, must be for this corner here. I'm not sure. I don't see any difference in which way, so I'm gonna try it. Really strong sticker, that's for sure. What I was hearing on the website is that it's 3M, so it's reusable. So now we're gonna put in the corner. So give it a good rub down. It's almost like one of those hard case you get for it. So really went on nicely. Really nice touch. Okay, so let's do the bottom now. This one gonna be interesting because there's no cutoff for the feet. Again, I'm gonna wipe it down. like the feel on it, and as you guys saw, it went on pretty easy. Now notice here there's like it's not sticky, so you're only pulling out the end parts or the corners. I'm just curious about this part where the feet goes. Oh, I seen it online when I was ordering it, and then there's a lot of people that says it was okay, but I wanted to try something different with a texture feel to it. Again, I'm gonna give it a spray. So now I'm gonna take out the corners. That's a really strong sticker. Now this is hard, a little bit harder than expected. Let's try to peel. Always have one where you have issue, so I'm gonna see if I can peel it. They should have put it somewhere on the corner. Yeah, it's not coming out. So, I don't know, pick a corner, see if I can peel it. See, this where you can really mess up the stickiness. No, maybe I'll lift it up from here. Yeah, it's easier to just get it from, again, strong sticker. I'm not sure if it's 3M sticker, but really strong. And they said it's reusable, so yeah, that wouldn't have come out here. It was like really hard. Again, sorry for the noise. I do all my stuff in the basement. Spare room. That don't come out good. So let's peel it from here. Okay, so we did it. Notice here, that looks like where the vent go. Not sure what that is, but let's start aligning this thing here. See, notice how the feet goes on. It's almost like it stretches. Actually, it's a very interesting design. I don't know if I like that hole there, because purpose of it is to get it all covered, right? Okay, so here you guys can see. See how the thing goes there. So I guess you can put the feet on if you want to. We're gonna leave it off for now, but yeah, that's how it looks. There's a nice texture feel. It's almost like those hard cases that you put on, but this one is sticky. It's like $19, and then you have a $2 coupon. So I think there was different colors. But anyway, wanted to share with you guys skin protection for the iPad, MacBook. I'm sorry, not the iPad, but for the MacBook Pro 16-inch M1. And this is from this company here. Cooling laptop sticker. And this. Anybody interested, it's on Amazon. If you guys want a link, leave a comment. Again, nice feel right around. Really different design on this feet butt right there. So anyway, thank you for taking the time for watching the video. Again, if you guys enjoy my video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you guys can see future videos like this, what I'm working on, and there's other things that's in the works also. So subscribe to the channel and then hit the bell so you'll be notified that JR got a new video out. So again, thank you all, and you guys have a good day. Be safe. Aloha.